Stop saying, "it annoys me." Here are 10 better British English phrases to sound more natural. We all have little things that drive us mad. But if you always say, "it annoys me," you're missing out on more natural and expressive English. Let's fix that. Instead of "it annoys me," try these. "I can't stand it." "I can't bear it." "It gets on my nerves." "It bugs me." "It drives me crazy, nuts, or mad." Here are some examples for you. "I can't bear it when my neighbor starts mowing the lawn at 7 in the morning." "It bugs me when my phone battery dies halfway through the day." "It gets on my nerves when people type in capital letters." "It drives me nuts when the Wi-Fi keeps cutting out." Now, you can make this more specific using when plus a situation. For example, "I can't stand it when drivers don't use their indicators." "It drives me mad when my tea goes cold before I've had a sip." You can also use a relative clause or an ing form. For example, "People who talk during a film really bug me." "I can't stand shops playing music so loudly that I can't think." If you agree with someone's complaint, you can say, "Yeah, so annoying. Absolutely. I hate that too." If it doesn't bother you, say, "I don't mind. That doesn't bother me." For habits that annoy us, use the continuous form with words like always, constantly, continually, or forever. For example, "You're always forgetting where you put your keys." "My colleagues constantly tapping the pen during meetings." "The printer works forever running out of paper." And remember, you can even use this for something positive. For example, "My dog's always wagging his tail when I come home." So next time something gets under your skin, try one of these phrases instead of "it annoys me." So which one's your favorite? Tell me in the comments.